Hi friends, so as you can see I have already configured my Kasa app with my smart Wi-Fi plug from TP-Link, and now I'm just gonna set up this smart Wi-Fi plug with Alexa Amazon Echo Dot. I'm just gonna go to my Amazon Alexa app and go to my smart home tab, and then I'm gonna go to smart home skills, then enable smart home skills. Then after that I'm just gonna click just gonna search TP-Link. So I'm just gonna click there and click enable tab, and it's trying to enable. So for that I'm gonna have to set up my account, or I'm just gonna have to use my Amazon Echo account. So I'm just gonna sign in. It's asking me to sign in, but I haven't set up my account, so I'm just gonna go back to Kasa app, and I'm just gonna set up my account. Right now I'm signing as guest, so I'm just gonna create my account. I use my email address to sign up, so it's gonna send me some link on my email to verify. It's showing my TP-Link has been activated, so I'm just gonna go back to Kasa app and just trying to log in. So I'm set up, so I'm just gonna go back here and just log in the account that I signed up to, on my Kasa app. Click authorize. Now you can see to continue, close this window to discover your Alexa device. I'm just gonna click this, discover devices. So it's gonna check TP-Link. So let's see if it can discover the smart switch. So now you can see the Kasa that I gave my name to my smart switch, so it kind of discovered that Kasa switch. So I'm just gonna click that. So plug is off. So as you can see here, if I click this, it's gonna turn on. Again, click that, it's gonna turn off. I'm just gonna command my Echo Dot to turn my smart switch. So my smart switch name is Kasa. Alexa, turn on Kasa. So you can see it kind of turned it on.
Okay.
I'm just gonna turn it off again. Alexa, turn off Kasa.
Okay.
So you would see it here, okay, from Alexa. So that's how you set it up, your Amazon Echo Dot with your smart TP-Link switch. So it's really easy to set it up. All you need to do is download the Alexa app and Kasa app, and there's a couple of steps you need to configure with the Wi-Fi. The setup is very easy. You just need to connect your Alexa app with your Kasa smart switch, and it's pretty much all set. The step is very easy to set up. It took me around like 30 minutes to set up my smart switch Alexa app and connect my both TP-Link switch and Echo Dot. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped you to make a decision whether to purchase this item or not. Thank you very much.